Well, here we are behind the backstop, so let's talk about the backstop. The catching situation of the Boston Red Sox is precarious at best as we come into this season. Christian Vazquez out for the season. The Red Sox have already made some moves, bringing in an established veteran to help defensively, and you've got Ryan Hanigan, the Andover native, who's probably going to start off behind the plate. Chad, how bad is this move in an up-the-middle situation for the Red Sox?
It's a bummer on a couple of fronts. Vazquez is 24 years old. He's a guy who's going to establish himself this year as a major league regular. He was very impressive last September when he came up. He threw out 52% of base runners, and dynamic defensive catcher with the arm that he has is always fun to watch. So it's disappointing in that regard too. The other part is they really don't have a dependable plan B. Hanigan's a guy who's another good receiver. Pitching staffs, wherever he's been, Cincinnati, Tampa Bay, raved about him, but he's not going to hit much. And they had to go out and get Sandy Leon from the Nationals to help out. He's thrown out 42% of base runners in his career, so he's good defensively, but he's not Vazquez. The big question is whether Blake Swihart, who is number 12 prospect in Baseball America, something like that, a top 15 prospect in baseball, one of the two best in the Red Sox system with Yoan Moncada, whether he gets up here this summer. He can hit, but his catching skills have received up and down marks this spring. He's had trouble holding on to the ball, which you need out of your catcher. So he'll probably get there at some point. And his bat might be ready. The other part of the game, the defensive part of the game, might not be ready. So it's kind of one of the more tenuous positions on the team right now in terms of sorting out what's going to happen in the regular season.
Yeah, it seems like the Red Sox are content to go with defense at that position, not worry about offense. They'll get it elsewhere. But with a pitching staff that's suspect, I think they're going to need all the runs they can produce. So I'd like to see Swihart get his chance if some of the other guys just don't get it done in the month of April. I know he hasn't had a lot of experience calling games, but he can get help with that. I'd like to see a lot of offense out of the catching position. We'll see how the Red Sox provide it this year.